Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to ace Clat exam. Today, we will be discussing the steps you need to take to prepare for the Common Law Admission Test. Clat is a highly competitive exam, and thousands of students from all over India appear for it every year. But with the right strategy and approach, you can crack the exam and get into a top law college. Know the exam pattern and syllabus. The first step in preparing for Clat is to understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Clat exam consists of total 150 questions carrying 1 mark each for correct answer and negative 0.25 mark for wrong answers. 0 mark for not attempting. You can find the latest exam syllabus on the official website of the National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. Make sure to go through the syllabus thoroughly and understand the important topics that need to be covered. To be precise, exam consists of total 5 sections. These sections have almost 30 questions from topics in English, current affairs, logical and legal reasoning, and quantitative techniques. Current affairs and legal reasoning have the highest weightage. Candidate is allowed a total time duration of 120 minutes to complete their test. Start preparing early. It's never too early to start preparing for Clat. Ideally, you should start preparing at least 1 year before the exam. This gives you enough time to cover the entire syllabus and also to revise the important topics. Study material and reference books. The next step is to get the right study material and reference books. There are many books and study material available for Clat preparation, but it's important to choose the right ones. You can get the NCERT books for English and general knowledge. Additionally, you can get the reference books by experts in the field for a better understanding of the concepts. Make a study plan and stick to it. A study plan will help you manage your time effectively and ensure that you cover the entire syllabus on time. You can also allocate some time for self-study and revision. Section-wise preparation. General knowledge. Focus more on current affairs, as it is being noticed that from past 2 to 3 years, current affairs are very common. Make sure to cover all the current affairs of the past 12 months. Allot 2 to 3 hours of your daily time for the general knowledge section. Try to cover at least one maximum of current affairs in a day. Logical reasoning. You can allot 2 hours per day for logical reasoning. Focus more on series, seating arrangement, syllogisms, blood relation topics. Practice one previous paper of Clat on a regular basis. Note down all the questions and try to work on the concepts which you are not clear. Also, try to attempt one Clat mock test a day. This way, you can brush up on all the concepts of legal aptitude. Legal aptitude. For principle and fact questions, solve the last 10-year question papers. Try to revise legal terms and maxims regularly as 10 to 12 questions will be asked in the exam. Practice shortcut techniques while attempting previous year's papers. English. Allocate 2 hours of your daily time for the English section. Revise the antonyms and synonyms that you have learned from past months. Solve at least one previous year's Clat paper in a day. Also, attempt Clat English quiz and mock tests daily. Maths. Prepare formulas to attempt the mathematical problems as quickly as possible. Try to take up Clat Maths quiz to test your preparation. You can improve your area of weakness with the quiz results. Seek help and guidance. Don't hesitate to seek help and guidance if you are struggling with a particular subject. You can join a coaching class or get a tutor. You can also join online study groups and interact with other Clat aspirants. Pro tips. Firstly, don't panic during the last few days left for the exam. Revise and give a quick glance at all topics you have studied before. Keep in mind not to study any new topic in the last few days. Solve Clat questions papers to test your preparation levels. You can also understand the difficulty level of questions and improve your time management skills. Learn short tricks to attempt the mathematics section quickly. Keep reading daily newspapers and current affairs to stay updated about all the issues happening across the globe. Attempt as many mock tests as possible to analyze your preparation. Practice reading quickly and understanding in one go. The entire question paper includes comprehension-based passages followed by questions. Finally, keep all the documents ready to be taken to the exam hall. Attempt the exam in a cool way without getting tensed. So, these are the steps you need to take to prepare for Clat exam. Remember, preparing for Clat requires dedication, hard work, and a strong foundation in English and general knowledge. But with the right strategy and approach, you can crack the exam and get into a top law college. Before I end this video, here I share a plan as well for your 1-month preparation. In the first week, focus on improving your English language skills, including grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. Start working on legal reasoning questions and practice identifying the correct legal principles and rules. In second week, focus on improving your quantitative ability, including topics such as arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. Work on logical reasoning questions and practice identifying patterns, arguments, and assumptions. Then, start working on general knowledge and current affairs, including important events, news, and trends. Focus on improving your reading speed and comprehension skills. In third week, you can continue working on legal reasoning questions and practice applying legal principles to new situations. Practice mock tests and analyze your performance to identify areas of improvement. Then, focus on improving your speed and accuracy in solving quantitative and logical reasoning questions. Now you can work on improving your general knowledge and current affairs by reading newspapers, magazines, and other relevant materials. In the final week, practice more mock tests and analyze your performance to identify areas of improvement. Revise all the topics and concepts covered in the previous weeks. And finally, focus on time management and exam strategies, such as how to approach different types of questions and how to manage your time during the exam. This is just a rough guide. Remember to stay focused, be consistent in your studies, and take breaks to avoid burnout. Best of luck with your preparation. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to Don't Forget It for more career guidance videos and press that bell icon to never miss a video.